Hi, welcome. We are looking at our tweak tool, and the tweak tool can be installed with a simple command. This one, sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux tweak tool git, then you have it. It will be in your menu, but it's also in your keyboard shortcut, Ctrl-Alt-E. It wants to be root, so you give it a password, and then we are going to look now at Termite themes. Now, Termite is a wonderful terminal. There are so many more out there, maybe over 20, but we've chosen to go for Termite. And in Termite config, you can change all the coloring. So this is our coloring, but maybe you'd like to change it depending on your mood or depending on the wallpaper and so on. It was possible in the past. It is possible now via the ArcoLinux tweak tool. Yes, we have lots and lots of themes. We have had them for years. Did you know it? Super Shift Enter, go to your config, go to your Termite folder, and in here we have themes. We have 81 themes. Did you use them? Did you try them? Well, you can do that with a simple drop down. So we have ArcoLinux Dracula as the one that's the standard one. So what you're looking at, this one, Ctrl-T, this defines our system, our color, okay? So if you want to change them, you need to change mostly the colors. That's the thing that's gonna be changing. You can change other things up here, but mainly all these themes change the colors, and that's it. All right. What is interesting, I've opened this with Sublime Text. Install Atom, or you have an Atom already, and then also install Pigments. And Pigments is a addition, packages, settings, install packages, and just type in Pigments here and click on the button install, right? Like here, install, install, install. So what happens is that these hexadecimal things are translated into colors. So Ctrl-T, then it becomes apparent that this color 0 is black. This is black, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second line is 8, right? So the coloring, you can figure it out how the coloring is. I think I miscounted here, but you get the drift. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one is 8. So that's this color in here. So all we need to do, all you need to do, if you want to make your own theme, is change these colors. But why change or make your own color if you can first test out 81 of them? So ArcoLinux Kraken is the next one. Apply. You see things moving around. You see the colors change. Ctrl-T. Yep, it did change. ArcoLinux Kraken is Matwell then. Okay. Things changed up here. Ctrl-T. This definitely is something different. Okay. Then we have Passion Dark. Apply the theme. Okay. Something changed here. How does it look? It looks red. Okay. Passion Dark, Solarized Dark, apply theme. Okay, things changed here. Ctrl-T, it's looking like this now. So you can keep on going and going and going, and it's all here available for you guys. If you say, no, I'm gonna reset everything, well, Ctrl-T, there you have it again. That's another way to neatly individualize your system. Enjoy.